Hi, I'm Daneya Meyer, 6th grade counselor at Woodgate, and I wanted to tell you just a little bit about my why and what my role is here on campus. So first of all, I want to let you know that our kiddos that we serve at Woodgate are considered preteens and tweens, and they are growing in so many areas. They have physical changes, hormonal changes, social emotional changes, and many times the physical changes may make them feel awkward and uncomfortable. And you may feel like you're on a roller coaster at home with them emotionally, because one minute they'll be stressed out and in distress, and then the next moment they'll be happy, and it's just very pleasant to be around. The students this age, they want to be poised and act like they have self-control, but many times it's just the opposite. You know, friendships have always been important to students, but at this age, they are vital. Developmentally, they are wanting to belong and be included more than ever. They're also transitioning into becoming more and more independent. They're hitting a time when their friends are going to have more influence on them than they ever will. So it's just important for me as your child's counselor to be available, to be supportive, to help them resolve conflicts and to problem solve. And I just want to help them grow. So I am that safe adult that they can come to and talk to and help them make positive decisions. So I meet with kids individually in small groups. I check on them at lunch and in the hallways. We just want to build a culture of caring at our campus. And Midway ISD adopted Character Strong curriculum in 2019. So this is our 3rd year of implementation. At our age level, we call it Purposeful People by Character Strong. And so each month we have a character word that we focus on, and we want to join you guys and be partners in this and helping our kids have really great character. So there are lots of ways that we in Midway ISD push out this information and share it with our students. On announcements, we have signage, posters all over campus. We share it in our newsletters. It's kind of a common language that we use throughout the campus. All teachers and staff know what the word of the month is, and they integrate it into, different teachable moments into their curriculum in their classroom. And so if we're all talking the same language, the kids it's going to be instilled in them. So that's another reason why we want you guys as parents to know exactly what it is, what our word is each month, so you can be talking the talk with them as well. So we're going to take a quick sneak peek at our social emotional lesson for this week. We usually have an engaging activity for the students, a challenge for the week, and then we also have a Woodgate weekly check-in. Take a look.
Comfort zone where you feel comfortable and super confident. Let's take one step in. Can you take one step in? There we go. So this is our happy place. Oh yeah, I can do that. That's fine. Okay? Outside. Ready? Stopping your friend from doing the wrong thing.
Oh yeah, that's easy.
Brand new student.
Yeah.
Brand new student. Talking to a new student. Okay. So as I look at this, I've got a couple people on the danger zone, and noticing the people in the danger zone are to me not necessarily are kind of quiet people. So it may be more difficult talking to somebody if you're quieter. And in the middle, I got a big takeaway. So go through.
And finally, if you'd like to reach out to me, you can at dania.meyer@midwayisd.org or give me a call on our school phone number and just punch the extension for the counselor's office, because I'm here to help and serve you, and we're looking forward to another great year at Woodgate.